morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Rex Adrian Mendoza speaking. How may I help you? Ma, do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it? May I have your name and room number, please? Thank you for the information. Okay, Ma'am Aguila. Of room 3 or 1, may I take your order? Would you like some drinks or dessert? How about dinner to go with it? Is there anything else that you would like to order? Okay, Ma'am Aguila, may I repeat your order? For your order for one one salad and one drink. Is that correct? Your order will be delivered with 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver right away or as a Pacific? The total amount of your bill is 500 pesos. Are you paying in cash or change it to your room? Okay, sir. Thanks for calling room service. Have a nice day. Good day, sir. I am Rex Adrian Mendoza, your room service attendant for today. This is the room of Mr. Mendoza. May I come in? Thank you, sir. Would you like me to place your food? Would you like me to set up the table for you? Would you like me to open the curtain for you? Is the aircon temperature okay? Or would you like me to adjust it? Would you like me to turn on the TV for you? Alright, sir. Allow me to present your food to you. This is your order, American breakfast, scrambled egg white, to sweet butter